What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, as you can see in the thumbnail, we are retrofitting the V8 chassis TOMEI exhaust onto our VB. The reason why we took off our last muffler because I personally want to try a single exhaust and there's nothing in stock, nothing available. So you know what? I saw some dude in the East Coast, he somehow retrofitted it. So today we're gonna take our exhaust, which I picked up from the Facebook Marketplace. I definitely overpaid for this thing, but we really wanted it to see how it sounds like. I think it was like 800 or something. And then it came dented and I didn't even check. So always ask for extra photos, guys. Let me buy used stuff online. That's my fault though. But anyways, we're gonna head into a DMC Fab, which is an exhaust shop near our other shop in Azusa somewhere in California. I've been knowing Rocky, the owner there, for a couple of years already. He's been doing all my custom stuff on my BMWs and whatnot. But yeah, I'll have the TOMEI right here in the back, along with some painted, not unpainted spoilers that we're dropping off to our owner's body shop to get it paint matched. So if you order your wing this past week or anywhere around October 15th week, your wings here getting painted. I'm personally dropping off for you. Taking care of your bad boys. We are also heading to Ely Wraps to pick up our car because they had to touch up on some wraps and whatnot. And man, this guy is California drivers, man. When you signal, they just speed up, you know? So we're heading to Ely Wraps, gonna pick up the car, put the exhaust in the car, we're gonna take it to DMC Fab, and then we're gonna get some sound clips for you guys. So I'm very excited. I really like the single exhaust. I don't know about you guys, but it reminds me of the bug eye, blob eye style, which I really loved back then. Enjoy these B-rolls coming up. We'll see you guys at the exhaust shop. Hey guys, so we're back at Ely Wraps. Here's the TOMEI exhaust that I picked up. Titanium, super light. Super light. It has some scuff marks right here, but I'm gonna chop the resonator off already because I don't, we want it loud. We're pretty much running a straight setup right now, so with the muffler, it's gonna be a little bit quieter. Here's the rear muffler section, single exit. It's a little dent here. I'm having fixed a little bit from scraping. So yeah, I'm very excited to get this on. We're gonna head to the shop right now. Oh. My bad. And then let me show you something that the guys, they fixed some of the wrap for me at Ely Wraps. Some parts were chipping for the rocks and a little bit peeling, so they fixed all that. And then they also took this piece off and did it in black. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but you guys let me know if we should change this back to the gray or leave it black. Eduardo here thought that black looked nice, but let's get his opinion. So Eduardo, how do you feel about the why do you think the black looks better than the gray?
I think it looks a lot better. It gives it more contrast, you know. The gray made it look like it was like a big gray blob. I think the black looks a lot better, to be honest. Everyone has their own opinion.
That's true. That's true. I think the gray looks better, but comment below, let us know what you guys think.
Comment down below, just let us know which one looks better, black or gray.
But we can always put it back, right? With the power wraps, you can do anything. Yeah. Anything. How you feel about our rear diffuser and carbon fiber?
I think it looks nice.
Or you like the other one better?
I think this one looks a lot better.
Really?
Yeah, the carbon looks better. Okay. Now you just need to get some carbon skirts because that kind of doesn't
extra
flow.
Yeah, we have some carbon fiber side skirts. So what we plan to do is put the carbon fiber side skirts and put that under the extensions. So to the point it won't even drive anymore. So low. But all right guys. So yeah, let us know what you guys think. They fixed a lot of wrap up, so make sure if you hit up Ely Wraps, they'll take care of you. Other than that, people asking for the mirror caps. The pre-order is available when this video drops. And then we're gonna head to the shop right now. So let's see what they do to the exhaust. I'm very excited to hear this. And let's get a cold start for you right now on this car. We're about to head on the freeway and drop the exhaust off, so I'm super stoked to see how it sounds like.
So we're in a Tesla, driving a manual car is like dum 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 dum. Oh, and look at that, we caught us to 2022 STI Type R.
See right now, like I said earlier, I've been working Rocky for a few years now. He's been doing a lot of crazy stuff, a lot of crazy builds. So if you're in the area, make sure to hit him up. So what are we doing today?
We're gonna put this TOMEI on the Subaru, and we're gonna do some cutting and some welding, make sure it fits good.
And then, like I said, if you are planning to get TOMEI for the 22, He's the man. So we'll see you guys in a bit. We just dropped off the car at DMC, and now we're about to go get some food. And we decided we're gonna go Chipotle or Panda. Sushi Factory looks good. Hey, where you going? We're gonna go check out sushi. Oh, Aether's ice cream. If you guys have Aether ice cream, it's hella good, but hella high calories and macros, you know? Oh, special! Buy one, get one! Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Alright guys, I just want to say our last video that we did, of the 5 things I love, we did an excellent job. You know, I just want to say thanks for all the subscribers and you guys watching, you know, really appreciate it. The owner Ilya right next to me, bless you by the way, he's suggesting that we change the Nardo Gray wrap to something else. I don't know how I feel about that right now. I do like the Nardo Gray, but I do kind of miss the red. How do you feel about the red?
I think the red's great from the factory, but dude, there's a lot of amazing colors on tech wrap actually, or Nazatech.
Yeah, I was thinking like
a lot of the people like color shift wraps.
I'm not okay. I think the color shift wraps for me is kind of rice, in my opinion, but a lot of people like it. But I like the one solid color for me. But anyways, we're at 66, 5'8", 66, 5'8", 6,658 subscribers. So at 10K subs, guys. Okay, I'm gonna personally pick a set of wheels out and give it to you. Not sponsored by Airflow, for me. You know, I sign it. Yeah, I'm gonna sign the box. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna sign that box. But you know, this YouTube for us right now, I used to do it as a job, you know, but now I actually enjoy what I do. To be honest, I'm very happy. But yeah. Anyways, we're about to eat lunch right now, and we're waiting for Rocky to finish the setup, and I'm stoked to let you guys see the setup. So enjoy these B-rolls on our delicious, non-sponsored Sushi Factory. Buy one get one 50% off. This place is not lit right now. You know why? Because it's just hella expensive. But anyways, let's hope it tastes good. All right, see you guys in a bit. The sushi, I gave it a 3 out of 10. But the salad though, 10 out of 10. Really good. Good for your macros, guys. Good for your what? Macros. So fat, bro. Gym later. I want this one. Jerry, stop. Yeah. That's just me? That's messed up, bro. That's it? You're not getting anything?
Oh no, Jerry's getting.
Yeah, what do you want? Hi guys, so DMC just finished the TOMEI exhaust, and take a look. Looks pretty sick. Single exit. I can't wait to hear it. So let's get it started real quick. See what it sounds like. It's probably not even co-star anymore, but let's see. Alright, not bad, not bad. Pretty much sounds similar to our other one. Pretty loud actually. Not as loud, right? A little more quieter because it has a muffler section now. But so we pretty much deleted the resonator in the middle. No secondary cats, and just the rear muffler, TOMEI titanium. So let's get some revs, see what it sounds like. Guys, so the tone is definitely a lot quieter without our remark mufflers, but this is more conservative. So if you want a TOMEI, this is definitely doable. Make sure to hit up DMC Fab, and they'll get it squared away for you guys. So we're gonna head home for now, and then we're gonna meet up tonight and get you some flybys and some exterior sound clips. So let us know what you guys think. Should we put the remarks back, or should we keep it like this? Let me know, comment below, and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's our custom TOMEI VA, our 2015 plus TOMEI setup with a custom resonator delete. Pretty much Rocky chopped off the middle section, welded new titanium pipe, and it fits perfect. No rubbing, no weird noises or anything like that. Sounds very subtle for me right now because the last exhaust setup with the remark, we've been running straight pipe pretty much. So now with this resonator, like a muffler I guess, it does tone the volume down a little bit. The quality of the sound because of titanium pings a little higher. I'm not sure how you guys feel about the single exit versus the quads. I still prefer the quads, but if we tune this car on E85 catless, I think it was so